just mobbing around with the boys and a girl. Just toasting your clutch. What's up, guys? It's Stickers back with another video. Alright, that's the way we're starting this video. But yeah, no, had to start off this video with a little baby pull, you know. Always fun doing some nice little pins. Yeah, guys, we are out here with our buddy. We got our buddy Emil on his S1K, Chelina on her S1K. If you guys didn't go watch the video when I rode Chelina's S1K, that bike is a lot of fun. Now I understand the hype around the S1K. Make sure to go check out last week's video where I go take her bike for a ride. A lot of fun. We are with our buddy Jax and Ramar. I think it's Ramar. He has the white CBR 600 RR, and Jax has his R1. But you know, we're gonna mob around with the boys, have a little bit of fun, and the girls. Ooh, we gotta use the restroom. Oh, that is dope! What the heck? That is crazy! Oh, I can't see, look straight in the sunlight. These are always, honestly, the most fun videos, guys, when we're just mobbing around with all the homies. That jet is still tripping me out. Yeah, we found us a little friend. Yeah, now we're going slow enough to talk, but these are always the most fun videos. Not much talking, just mobbing around with the boys and a girl. But yeah, no, it's a lot of fun, just mobbing, having some fun with friends. But yeah, so we'll talk a little bit now. Maybe we'll do a little walk and take a look at. Oh, all right, let's smack them. Even when you're with my boo. Crazy over you. We're some idiots. All I think about is you. Even when you're with my boo. What's Emil doing? Is this man trying to do a burnout? Oh no, I'm crazy. Huh?
It's golden hour.
Selfies! What?
Oh, we're still filming.
Me and my boo thing right here got the most fire. Should I insert? Do I go make them look these up for our fire couple pics? Do I go make them look them up, or should I attach them right now and let them see them? What do you think? Do I make them go look? Attach them? All right, guys. Boo said it here first. I gotta attach the video for him and the pictures. Oh shit, that is perfect lighting right there.
Ready to roll out?
Oh.
Dipping home?
Yeah, I got no jacket, so I'm.
Oh yeah, it's about
Yeah, we're gonna. Like I said, I want to dip out before the sun goes down. I'm guessing you're not gonna stop. Yeah, I'll see you.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say bye now since I won't stop.
Bye.
Adios. Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, I'll follow you most of the way. Alrighty. Yeah, fun little shoot with everybody. Got some sick video. Might insert it right now.
Oh yeah, but there.
How do I do that?
Yeah, like that. It's like Arnold.
Swole. Look at that. Yoked. She's juicing. Oh, whoop.
Come on, let's see some Greek god poses. Oh yeah, that. What do we call that?
Greek god pose.
Oh, that's your Greek god pose?
Yeah.
Thought that was like your like swan or something. Oh yeah, ready for takeoff, baby. Oh my. Someone get this man a lady. God. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, guys. That's where you guys will see all of my Osmo Pocket 3 footage first. A little fun. We're gonna mob back together. Not sure if I'm gonna do much talking. Just toasting your clutch. Bro, just toasted that. I think that was meant to be a burnout. Yeah. I might ride this weekend. I don't know. I'm just nervous about this tire now, so.
Yeah.
Alright, get back safe. Text me to make it back. Aw, couple goals. A different version of riding bikes together. Slam Tesla. Well, that sunlight passing through is beautiful. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this little ride around with the homies and film. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.